morning, everyone. Today I'm going to continue the next phylum, that is Arthropoda. Arthro, that means jointed. Poda means legs or appendages. That means these organisms have the legs made of or joined. You can see right over here. The parts of the legs can be easily broken into small pieces or parts. So all these parts of the legs or appendages are joined together. That's why the name Arthropoda. And organisms belonging to this group are more in number. Let me. That's why they are the largest phylum in Animalia. 2/3 of the and all the species on Earth are arthropods only. And out of 10 every organism, 7 of them are arthropods or insects. When it comes to habit, how the body look like, they are bilaterally symmetrical. Body can be divisible into two right and left parts by cutting them only one way. Organ system level of organization, that means they have all the systems starting from respiratory, reproductive, circulatory and excretory systems. And the body developed from 3 germ layers: ecto, meso and endoderm. Body is segmented like the same way annelids. The outermost body is divided into many segments. Body have a true cavity, coelomate animals. Body is covered by chitinous, that means chitin made exoskeleton. That means outside the body they have a skeleton which is made up of a chemical called chitin. You remember the chitin is one of the component of cell wall of the fungi. And body can be divisible into 3 major parts. They are head, thorax and abdomen. These are the 3 major parts of the body. When they are respiring, especially those who are living in water, aquatic nature, they have gills as respiratory organs, or they have a book gills. Same way they have book lungs or tracheal system, especially the organisms living in the terrestrial habitat. Let's see how they look like. Look at this. These are the book lungs. This is how they look like. These are terrestrial organisms, spiders. So you can see this structure is termed as book lungs, and they have so many openings on the abdominal region through which air pass into this chamber or into the body. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Circulatory system is open type. That means I'm telling you, open type of circulation means the blood is not flowing inside the blood vessel. So that means imagine there is a bottle full of water and the water as being blood, and imagine the bottle as a body of an organism. So how this blood or the water in the bottle is moving, same way the blood is moving not inside the blood vessels but in the body cavities called sinuses or sinus. So the body cavity is bathed with blood without being enclosed in the blood vessels. Sensory organisms like antenna, you can see right over here, they have antenna as like sense organs. They are able to predict the changes in the environment. And eyes are compound, some of them, and simple eyes. Now looking at this picture, you can understand the eyes of these organisms. You can see they have compound eyes. Look at this. This is the eye of an insect, and this is the eye of a mammal, or sorry, bird. So this is how these organisms capture the picture, capture the surrounding environment. They are having many types of cells called ommatidium, many number together to form a compound eye to receive the picture or receive the image. Whereas humans, we have simple eye. Okay, then let's move to the next one. Sense organs are like antenna, compound eyes, and they have a statocyst, or like they are meant for balance. Organs are present, like these are the statocysts are the organs which maintain the balance of the body. The way we have ears help in the listening as well as maintaining the body, maintaining the balance of the body. Same way insects have statocysts which maintain the balance. Then when it comes to the excretion, insects, especially the arthropods, have a special type of organs called Malphizian tubules, or you can call them as Malphizian body. These are the ones which help in the excretion of waste material. You can see right over here how these Malphizian body, look at this, the yellow one that you're observing, like this one, is scattered all across the digestive system. What these tubules, like they have tubules now, what they do now, they scatter all across the body cavity and capture the waste into this tubules, and then they secrete that waste into the digestive system. So all the waste will be thrown out of the body through the digestive tract only. See, they capture all the waste and they send it into the digestive tract, and through the digestive tract, through the rectum and anus, they send the waste out of the body. So the excretory organs are Malphizian body or Malphizian tubules. And then reproduction, they are mostly dioecious. Sexes are separated. Fertilization usually internal. That means male and female gametes are fused inside the body. They're mostly oviparous. The new term, oviparous, means they produce young ones by protecting them by a shell. You can call them as egg. Oviparous. Opposite of ovi is viviparous. Humans perform it. Viviparous condition. And development is by direct or indirect. Like I said, na, direct development means eggs hatch directly into adult. But there are some organisms like silk moth have a larval form, like you can see right over here. You can see the right over here, the larval stage, indirect development, pupa, and you can see the adult is formed. Eggs develop into caterpillar, caterpillar develop into pupa, and pupa emerging releases the butterfly out of the body. See, this is called indirect development, larval stage present in some of the insects. You can see right over here. Cocoon having, like silk moth, like this cocoon is useful to make silk garments. Now let's see the next one. And here are some of the examples, like they have economical importance, like honeybees, apis, bombax, silkworm, laxifer, lac insect. Let me show you the lac insect. Lac insect, these are the lac products which have been formed by the lac insect. These are all commercially used. Suppose if you go to any offices, the letters are sealed by using the lac, the red one. This is product formed from the lac insect only. Locust, like Gregorian pest. Crab, king crab, look at the size of them, so big. And some of them even cause diseases, like Anopheles mosquitoes, Culex, Aedes and Anopheles. All of them are different types of mosquitoes, even causing the damage to the humans.